Scientists really don't know for sure what colors dinosaurs were, but they think they might have been really colorful. Let's learn about some big dinosaurs. Pentaceratops had 5 horns on its head. Herrerasaurus had a big mouth. It can open its mouth very wide. Styracosaurus' horn reminds us of a rhinoceros. It had a big horn on its nose and a fancy face. Utahraptor had sharp claws on its feet. This dinosaur was smart, fast, and dangerous. Cryolophosaurus was one of the first dinosaurs to be discovered on the continent of Antarctica. It had a crest on top of its head. Nothronicus had huge claws on its hands. It had a beak and more than 100 tiny teeth. Triceratops had 3 horns on its face. It had about 800 small teeth. Muttaburrasaurus had a bumpy nose. Europhosaurus looked a lot like those gigantic dinosaurs, but it didn't grow as big. It lived in land surrounded by water. Tyrannosaurus lived in a rainy place where the land often flooded. Its back looked like a sail on a sailboat. Carnotaurus might remind you of a bull. It had 2 horns and had a square head. Stegosaurus had a spiked tail. It also had plates sticking up from its back. Corythosaurus had a big crust on its head. These dinosaurs lived in groups called herds. Plateosaurus had lots of teeth for ripping leaves off trees. Pachycephalosaurus had a very hard head. They may have used their heads to defend themselves. Happy learning! The scientists who study dinosaurs are called paleontologists. Some information we know now may change as scientists learn more. Dinosaurs lived on Earth a very long time ago, even before there were any people. Let's learn about some small dinosaurs. Microraptor is a very small dinosaur that weighed less than 4 pounds. It had feathers and wings and can glide through the air like a kite. Micropachycephalosaurus is the longest of all dinosaur names. Can you spell it? Heterodontosaurus had 3 different kinds of teeth. How many kinds of teeth do you have? Oviraptor looks like a bird. It laid eggs and made nests for their eggs. Compsognathus was a lizard hunter. It ran quickly on its 2 back legs. Archaeornithomimus had long, strong legs, and it's a speedy runner. Scutellosaurus had lots of little bumps in its skin. Those bumps were hard little bones that helped protect it. Scansoriopteryx is a tiny dinosaur that can glide. It also had long fingers with strong claws. Psittacosaurus did not have any teeth in the front, but it had a parrot beak. Archaeopteryx is a bird and a dinosaur. No one really knows whether it could fly or glide. Minmi had a tough body that's covered in hard armor. It is a very slow mover. Butaraptor loves to eat insects. It had small teeth. Lielanosaura is a plant-eating dinosaur that lived near the South Pole. It had big eyes. Huayangosaurus had a spiky back. It had two big pointy spikes and many flat spikes called plates on its back. Struthiomimus was one of the fastest runners of all dinosaurs. It reminds us of an ostrich. Happy learning! Scatellosaurus. Archaeornithomimus.